Just finished hand feeding, day 11, and now I'm trying to touch her beak, or a place if she lets me. Lana! Oh, no! Just a little bit gently. We're friends. I know I don't have feet in my hands, but I'm your friend. Aren't we friends? Aren't we friends? Can I scratch? No? Scratch? Your face? Okay, some food? Maybe some food? Food again? Food again. Sorry. Ah. Food. That was just skin. Oh, it was it. Okay. She loves the millet. So while you have millets in your hand, she will accept anything. But she's just not ready for my hand, my empty hand actually. Just she lets me touch her when I have millets in my hand. As you can see, she's not bothered. She's not bothered with me touching her wings, sometimes her face, her chest. She's not really bothered because I have millets in my hand. See that? Isn't that cute? Okay. See you.